Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? Hope you're all doing really well and have a really great day. In this video, I am very excited. Now I can pretty much get my Chia mining journey started, as I have been waiting for the official pooling protocol to essentially come out. And it has come out about an hour ago as of recording this video. And so it's 1.2.0. All right, Chia blockchain. What have they added here? All right, so they added the portable pooled plots are now available using our new plot NFT. These allow you to plot new plots to an NFT that can either self-farm or join or leave pools. During development, there were changes to the plot NFT, so portable plots, those made with -C option to Chia plots create using code from before June 25th are invalid on mainnet. So just a disclaimer there, you'll have to replot. OG plots made before this release can continue to be farmed side by side with new portable pool plots, but cannot join pools using the official pooling protocol. Right, because you have to do it this way. You can learn more as a farmer by checking out the pool user guide, which I'll show you guys in a second here. Pool operators and those wanting to understand how official pooling protocol operates should check out our pooling implementation reference repository. So I believe FlexPool is most likely looking into that right now, as I'm going to be farming on FlexPool with my hard drives, okay, or plots essentially. So going along, if you plan to use plot NFT, all of your farmers and harvesters must be on 1.20 to function properly for portable pool plots. 1.2 plus farmers are only compatible with 1.2 plus harvesters. Okay, so yeah, pretty much download the latest versions, the latest and greatest version of 1.2.0. I'll have a link down below. You guys can see all of this and go and try it. I will have another video going through my ATX case, my Silverstone ATX case with a bunch of hard drives, and I'm going to go through all this in probably a bunch of videos, so stay tuned for that, guys. So the pooling protocol, the pooling user guide, so let's just go through here. It was just updated 11 minutes ago. Let's just go through here. It says due to increasing network space, net space, which actually the net space right now is 30 exabytes, which is insane, right? Huge. Which I will go through the Chia pools. There's a whole bunch of Chia pools online right now, but I'm assuming now that the official pooling protocol is out, okay, it's gonna be a scramble to a race to whoever can implement it first. I guess FlexPool and whole bunch of these top pools are going to be showing up real soon here, are going to be on the official pools for mining Chia. I'm going to be on FlexPool. So anyways, I have a straw poll down below, guys. Actually, before I talk about the pooling 6 steps here, I just want to know, are you guys going to be solo farming or pooling, or neither, if you are not into Chia farming anyway? I want to know what my community is into, okay? I want to know what you guys are doing, because I would say, dependent on if you have a huge like data center, lots of hard drives, and you already plotted all those solo plots already, then I wonder if are you gonna stay that way? Let me know down below. If not, if you're gonna be a smaller farmer like me, like I'm gonna have like under 100 terabytes of space at the most. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna be pooling for sure. I'm gonna be yielding increments of, you know, Chia XCH when I'm pooling, right? So yeah, that's gonna be fun. Anyway, guys, going through the pooling, how to start pooling in 6 steps. So I'll have this also linked down below. You guys can read this, but honestly, I'm not going to read through all of it. I'm just going to read the headlines here. Step 1, sync your full node and wallet. Okay, so I guess, yeah, you have to download the latest version here and get it all synced up and all that good stuff, okay? And then next step is receive some XCH, okay? So you're going to have to go to the faucet.chia.net, okay, to receive some. Next here is step 3, create your plot NFT. Okay, so this is going to be the cool thing that I guess most of us are going to do, okay? So self-pooling, this plot NFT will not connect to any pools, and the 1.75 XCH will go directly to your wallet. This is different than OG, original plots, since OG plots are locked into self-farming forever. Okay, so number 2, connect to a pool. So this is what I'm going to be doing. Join a pool and immediately start pooling as soon as you make some plots. So that's pretty cool. And looks like it shows the GUI here, connect to a pool, and you put in the web address of the pool that you guys want to mine to. So that's pretty cool. Okay, the 4th step here, add plots. So it says you can now start creating plots for this plot NFT, which means these plots will be pooling and can earn rewards more often. Click on 3 dots in the plot NFT that you want to create plots for and select add a plot. This will select the plot NFT in the plotting screen. If you don't select anything or select none, that will make an OG plot. So yeah, you have to make sure you do it as a plot NFT. Plot will forever be tied to the plot NFT that you choose, or forever OG. Awesome. Okay, and then yeah, 5th step here, guys, manage your plot NFTs, and that I will have to try out in the GUI here, but there's the information here. Last step here, wait for payouts. Okay, so that's pretty much it. It seems pretty self-explanatory, to be honest. And oh, they have some additional information here. Explains multiple plot NFTs, multiple computers. It says you can take your 24 words and enter them in different computers. When it's synced, the current plot NFTs and pool information will automatically be downloaded from the blockchain. Oh, that's cool. Okay, guys. Well, anyway, I'll have this all linked down below. You guys can check it out. So there you go. The official pool protocol for Chia is out, and I will definitely have a dedicated video showing you guys my little Chia farming setup. Okay, so pretty cool. Yeah, I was gonna make a video announcing their phase 2. They announced this on June 30th. The official pooling protocol is now live, so there's no longer the second phase. I guess everyone's gonna start moving towards the new pooling protocol. All right, the official pooling protocol. So pretty cool, guys. I'm excited. I'm really excited. I actually had a chance. I want to talk with you guys regarding Chia Hardware now, just for a little bit. You can close the video now if you don't care, but I saw some interesting hardware on Alibaba, and I had a chance to buy one of these. This is like a dedicated for hard drive mining, I guess. So they have these hard drive mining motherboards, okay? Just ridiculous. Look at the SATA ports and the power in the SATA cable, like the supports on the motherboard. Okay, I believe there's 32. All right, 32 SATA ports on one board. So you can essentially have 32 hard drives. Okay, it looks like this, right? Or it looks like this, and just insane, right? Just insane. I just laughed when I saw that. I want to know, do any of you guys have one of these? I was really close to buying one, but I honestly think it's a waste of money. Like, I think it's a waste of money to buy something like this unless you have another alternative use for your hard drives and something like this. Like, yeah, I'm not sure if this could be used as like a Plex server or, something like file server, if it's even fast enough. Yeah, I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure how that works on a board like this, but maybe you guys can let me know if any of you have one of these. Or I was really close to buying one for like $1,600 just for the motherboard. I think with the chassis and the case and everything, it's like over two grand. I got quoted 2,000. So let me know what you guys think about this. This is pretty interesting, but I don't see myself buying this. Maybe for science. If I get enough comments down below, maybe if you guys are interested, let me know. But I honestly, I don't want to buy this for that amount of money. But anyways, guys, I did want a little end off here with just some interesting thoughts regarding Chia and its price. So the price of Chia has gone down quite a bit from its all-time high since like 2 months ago, right? And this is no surprise, honestly. Every time a new coin comes out, always goes up like this, and then everyone starts getting onto it, and then the price just starts going down and down and down as people who started getting into it early have already sold, right? Are already selling. And so that has created that, this major pressure, downward spiral selling pressure here. So, but, we've seen these kind of charts before with other coins in previous like bull runs, cycles. So if you guys think Chia farming, for the long term, then there's potential that Chia could go past its all-time high, right? Depending if Bitcoin keeps going in its cycles, as you guys know, right? Every 3 or 4 years, we have these cycles in crypto, right? So not financial advice, of course, but you guys have to think of, if you're going to be Chia farming and you've already invested thousands upon thousands of dollars. For me, I probably only invested like under $1,000 worth of hardware. So I'm not like full on into it. I'm just into it just a little bit, just for fun, and I'm just gonna see where it goes. And if it does really well in the future, then so be it. If not, I'm at $1,000. That's fine. Otherwise, I have a bunch of hard drives I can still use for backing up my videos, what have you, other alternative use for my hard drives, right? But for people that solely got into it for Chia mining and think that and thought that they could get rich tomorrow. No. I mean, yeah, if you got in early, like, to be honest, if you got into Chia mining, Chia farming, so, man, that's, I'm still not going to get used to that. Chia farming, Chia mining, exabytes, network hash rate, network net space, man, those things I'm going to get confused of. You guys know I'm mainly a miner, so a GPU miner, so network hash rate, all that kind of stuff. Anyways, anyway, the prices of Chia, like, yeah, if you got into it early, you most likely did really well, but assuming you sold at the top or reasonably at the top, then you did really well. But if you held on to it until now, then you're, I don't know, depending on what your risk is and what you're looking for in the future, if you can wait for the next cycle, if there is going to be that next cycle for Chia, assuming the community behind Chia, that's another thing, right? The community behind Chia is huge. It's huge. There's so many people behind it. And there's a lot of hard drives right now being utilized for plotting, I guess, or being for the plots, right? And another thing I want to touch on is that China is huge on Chia, right? There's just massive amounts of hard drive mining going on in China. So I in my opinion, I believe that they have most of the capacity, okay, the net space for Chia. So you can see on Hpool, right? This is a Chinese pool in China, 11 exabytes, right? And right now the whole net space at this moment is 30. So for Hpool to have 11 is insane, right? Literally 1/3 of the net space, which is crazy. So for China, right? So, and I guess that's not even equating to solo farmers. We don't know where those huge solo farmers could be around the world, right? I believe these last 72 unknown blocks could be from the solo farmers. I'm expecting those with huge data centers are not going to be pooling. They're going to stay with the OG plots, probably. I probably would. Those guys are the ones that probably got in early and have created this massive sell-off, downward spiral pressure on Chia network right now. So I wouldn't blame them, right? They probably had tons of hard drives, right? Tons of infrastructure. They got to pay their bills, and so this is what's happened, right? And I guess in terms of volume liquidity, it's probably not much. Let's see here, 116,000 volume. Here we go. Volume 4 million. Okay, it's not too bad. It's actually pretty decent. Actually, the Chia has a decent amount of volume going on here. But yeah, I'm not sure in the future how it's gonna bode, but we'll see, guys. I'll keep you guys updated, and not financial advice or anything regarding the price. And if you guys are doing it for the long term, what have you, you guys can do whatever you want. Sell your hard drives, do whatever you want. But I am in this for the long term. This is going to be fun, in my opinion, so we'll see how it goes. Anyways, I will see you guys in a video real soon about trying this 1.2.0 and see if we can get some Chia mining on the official pool protocol. Okay, so you guys have a good one, and peace out.